8 raised to power 1 raised to power 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 9 raised to power 9 is equal to what? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, I want to evaluate this nice math problem. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Then let's start. We're going to start solving it right from the top. That is, this 9 raised to power 9. Then answer here will be 5 raised to power the answer here, then 2 raised to power the answer here, 1 raised to power the answer here, and then 8 raised to power the answer here. Now, if you start from top, the whole of this will be equal to infinity. Therefore, we have 8 raised to power 1 raised to power infinity. But 1 raised to power infinity will give you 1. So, this is equal to 8 raised to power 1 is equal to 8. This is our final answer.